word variables comes from a Latin word called variabilis. Word is also derived from the verb variare. The variare word meaning is that to vary or to change. In everyday life or even in mathematics, we often use that word variable. But even though some of us actually know the dictionary meaning of this word, very few of us actually know and have clarity about that word. And today we are going to discuss about what is a variable.
So, hello and welcome to the Sambodhi series of SETU, where we discuss several basic concepts on statistics, linear algebra, and machine learning. And today we are going to talk about variables. So, what exactly is a variable? On a simple note, a variable is something that may change depending on the circumstances. For example, we can argue that weight is a variable as our weight varies from time to time. But if I ask you a question that how many days are in a week, then it is a static as the number of days in a week will not change. Now, based on the nature of values the variables can take, they can be categorized into two different types: discrete and continuous. Now, let's say you are working for a survey institution and have the duty to count the number of members of every household. Now, the number of members in a household is a whole number. We can easily count the exact number of persons, while we can't have a non integer value like 2.5 members in a family. This is an absurd concept, right? Here, the number of members in a family is a discrete variable. But if you measure the weight of a family member, let's say Varun here, then the weight can take infinite number of possible values within a given range. Let's argue that we are measuring the weight of Varun by an analog machine, and the machine shows that his weight is 80 kgs. Now, if we upgrade to a digital machine, the machine would tell us that his weight is actually 79.8 kg, not 80 kgs. Again, we will use a more refined weight machine, and the machine shows that the actual weight is 79.82 kg. Thus, in a similar way, if we can increase the accuracy level of the weight machine, it will give us a more accurate weight of Varun. Thus, there is no limit to the precision with which it can be measured. Here, the weight of Varun is a continuous variable. Whether it is counting the whole numbers or navigating the endless possibilities of measurement, variables are all around us, shaping the way we understand and interpret our world. Variables are the building blocks of understanding different complexity and beauty of our universe. Thank you and hope this video has helped you to understand about the variables. Please watch our other videos on different topics of the data world.